The following video is a Southwest Industries TRAK VMC10 CNC Vertical Machining Center. This unit is new 2020. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, we're going to start off with the manual hand wheel. We'll jog up our x-axis. The other side is our Y. Then we'll go ahead and we'll use the electronic hand wheel. Y. Here's our Z. We'll go ahead and start the spindle. This is about 1,000 RPM. That's 2,000 RPM. And that's 6,000 RPM. That is 8,000 RPM, the max RPM for this machine.
Yeah, the preceding video is a Southwest Industries TRAK VMC10 CNC Vertical Machining Center.